Well, this is my project. I used a Unreal Engine to make it. So let's play it. Uh, I've created a character that can walk and jump. And when she walks through this wood sign, she receives a widget saying that she can choose a car. She has the options from 3 different models of cars and also 2 different accessories, or no, actually it's 3, but yeah. So she can pick these combinations, and when she selects the options that she wants, like the car, the price will automatically update here, showing the prices. Also, when she pick an accessory, it add the value for the price. And also, if she takes off, the price always is updating. And when she is done with it, she can press done and continue with her life. And if she wants to change something, she just needs to walk through again the sign and change what she wants. So done. So now I'm going to walk through the files. Um, for this project, I've based it using blueprints, since it was the first thing I've been learning of Unreal. So let's see, basically I create a starting map that is this one. And for these I've used sprites and tile sets to make the ground settings and make the collision so she can walk on the ground. And after this, I've created a asset folder where I had all the sprites that I was going to use for the cars and the accessories. And the most important, my folder for blueprints. For start, I created a blueprint player that is a paper character blueprint. Here I set everything of my character when she starts to walk, the animation for it, when she goes back and forward, backward and forward, so the movement I can capture it as long as when she jumps. Here I can make everything related to movements of my character here. After this, thinking about my sign, I created another blueprint that is actually a paper sprite actor. So here I have a function that when she walks through the sign or she overlaps the component, I call the creation of my widget that's going to display the informations that I need and the options for her to build the setting. For the car blueprint and accessory, I create another blueprint, and let's start Mm, let's see. Okay, a blueprint for the car. I set my component, the body, where I'm going to place everything, if I'm going to have the collision or not, and I created an event that is swap body that is going to change according to what car she choose, what model she choose. And for creating the widget, I had to create a blueprint and GNOME. So here I create the enumerators for my that I'm going to use in my database. So, and also I had to create a blueprint structure with all my variables for my data table too. So the body that is going to be the core model, an image that's going to be displayed uh, in the option of the car, the sprite that is related, the price, and a flip book. That's not all of them that is going to have one, just the accessories, for example. And after this, I created my data table where I inform everything related to like body, the image that I'm going to take to display in the button, the sprite, I place the price, and for accessories, it's a little bit different, just an image and the flipbook with the animation for the accessory for the pet. Well, the way to get properly thing, I've created this size panel where I place already the informations that I wanted to have, and here I have a scroll box where it's going to be displayed the model and accessories list. So for this, it's a here the blueprint where it starts the construction event where I define my my controller actor that I'm going to start initiate my classes for the car and the accessory, and after this I can read the data table, so I can get the values for each one in a loop and fill the informations of the widget with all of it. So for both car and accessories, I have this. I also have the button clicked that is when you you start everything that I'm going to display the cursor, so you can choose everything. And here is the function to update the price correctly, so it's kind of giant, but it's working. I preferred to use code, but since I'm learning first the blueprints, I think it's fine, I guess. And after this, for creating the buttons, here it's another simple Y button. So here I have exactly when I click on the button that I choose. So here I pick the in my unknown structure, and here I go to the swappy body as I told that it was in my blueprint car, where I created a custom event there that is going to change the sprite there for the car. And here I'm asking to update the price. So the same thing I do with swap accessory, that I'm going to choose which accessory I want, and then I update the price again. And I think this is all. Oh, here is me asking to create the images and the buttons. I think basically this is the project. Thank you.